Hello everyone, beautiful hairstyles coming up. Hold your buns on top and have a beautiful hairpin attached from right to left and secure it on the opposite position. Then have a rubber attached to the top middle part of the ponytail and bend it down and push it even more downwards by having a hairpin. Then stretch the bun for some little volume. Hold your buns on top, but this time have a beautiful hairpin attached from bottom to top and secure it on the opposite direction, and have a rubber attached to the top middle part of the ponytail and bend it down by having a last loop of the rubber and push it even more further by having a hairpin and stuffing it inside the bun we created. Tie a hair in the middle and have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached to it and twist the middle section of the hair and have it to the second clutcher and have the right one into the first clutcher and the left one into the third clutcher. Then comb the remaining hair a little bit and have a rubber attached to the top middle part and bend it down and push it even more downwards by having a big black hairpin of your choice. Make a braid on the top section of the ponytail and make it as a lump and have a rubber attached to it. Then with the remaining section of the ponytail, have a rubber attached to the middle part and have a loop created in the middle one and drop the tail into it and drop the entire loop come around the bun we created and have the tail secure at the bottom part of the bun we created and stuff it inside. And of course, go for your lovely hair clip collection and drop it inside the bun we created and secure it in place. Make a bunch and have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher and twist the right section of the ponytail and have it attached to the third clutcher and the middle section of the hair into the second clutcher and the last section into the first clutcher. Then comb the hair a little bit, have a rubber attached to it and have it bend even more downwards by having a hairpin and push it inside the bun we created. Make a bunch and add out the last loop of the rubber and create a lump, and with the ponytail have a rubber attach the bottom middle part and stuff the tail into the middle one, making it as a bun. Then move the bun to the top by having a very large hairpin of your choice and secure it on the opposite side. Grab your hair from the sides and tie it in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside going for the twister band and have a beautiful hair clutcher and clutch it on the rubber band we had. Have a ponytail with the remaining section of the hair and have a rubber band the bottom middle part, then stretch the middle one into a bun and make the tail move to the top and have a rubber band attached to it and have a beautiful hair clutcher. Then bend the tail down and push it even more downwards by having a hairpin. Twist the right side of your hair and have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached to it. Then twist the top side on the left section of their hair and have it attached to the third clutcher. Then have another section near to it and have it in the second clutcher. And have another section near to that and have it in the first clutcher. Twist your wonderful hair on your index finger and make it into a hair roll and hide the tips underneath the roll we created. Then have a tooted hair clutcher and have that bun in place. Make a twister band on your ponytail and have a rubber attach the bottom middle part of the tail and stretch the middle one for a bun and move the tail to the top and have it as a bun and secure that with a lovely hair clutcher of your choice. Make a bunch out of your lovely hair in the last loop of the rubber and create a lump pointing downwards and stuff the entire bun along the tail into the hair and cover it by closing it and have a rubber band attached to it and also have a hair clutcher covering the whole. Have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached horizontally to your hair and twist the left section of the hair and have it attached to the second clutcher and do twist the right section of the hair the same way and have it in the second clutcher itself. Then have another section of the hair right below the left one and have it in the first clutcher. Then you know what to do. Do the right one and have it in the third clutcher. Have a 3-in-1 hair clutcher attached vertically to a ponytail on the top section of the hair and grab the left and right section and move it to the first clutcher and do the same for the middle one and also for the bottom one as well. Have a tooted hair clutcher and twist your ponytail on one of its two and move it to the right to left, making it as a bun and secure that in place by closing the clutcher. Have a ponytail and have a rubber attach the bottom middle part of it and stretch the middle one as a bun and stuff the tip into it and move the bun to the top and secure it with a tooted hair clutcher and clutch it. Make a bunch on the top section of the hair and have a tooted hair clutcher and twist your ponytail on the entire toot and make it as a bun and stuff it from right to left and secure it. Thank you everyone for watching this video.